the shop today. We have this beautiful C8 Corvette in for an oil change. Let's get it going. Okay, we have her warmed up. Let's get the hood open. Open up the oil fill. Let's get her up in there. We're going to loosen the drain plug. Oh, that's on there. Okay. Should be a pretty long drain plug with an O-ring on it. Hopefully we don't get drenched in oil. Probably will. Here we go. Pretty clean. Now there is an O-ring on it, so always check the condition of it. It is fantastic. It has a magnet on the end, so you want to clean it off really well. I like to let it drain for about 10 minutes. So let's try and get the oil filter off as well. We have an Ultra Guard AC Delco filter. Proudly made in the USA. Always need to lubricate the gasket. Now the type of oil that we're using is a Mobil 1 Supercar. That's what's recommended. We're going to put a little bit in this filter so it's not a totally dry start. Look at that. Liquid gold. Perfect. Now we're going to continue to let it drain for a few more minutes. And now just to show you what we're looking at here, the drain plug goes right there. Oil filter goes right there. We need to make sure that we clean it up of all debris before we put the new one on. Beautiful. So the oil has been draining for about 10 minutes. We have a very small flow coming out now. We're going to go ahead and install our oil filter. and we will tighten it very, very lightly. Perfect. Now for the drain plug. I like to wipe everything before I put my tool on to keep my tools clean. And it should be about 18 nm. Perfect. Let's get this out of here. And let's bring the car down. So this Corvette takes 7.5 quarts. I like to do the half first. And don't forget that we already added some oil into the oil filter. Put it on a level surface. A little bit more. That should be perfect. Yes, that is perfect. And this is 7. We are now at operating temperature, 194 Fahrenheit, or around 90 Celsius. Let's check the oil level. And we are right on money. Perfect. Something else that's pretty cool about this car is that it's got a soft close hood. You just lay down, press on it a little bit, and it opens up. Pretty cool. It's actually a very beautiful vehicle. Red interior.